What's up, everybody? Supreme Decisions here, and today I want to go and kind of revisit something that was in the news a little while ago, and no one really talked about it. And it was right before I did the video or the podcast, and where I asked, where are the good officers at? Where are the good police officers at? Now, you know I spent some time down in Harris County, Houston, and I have spoken about the precinct that's down there. Now, I want to go into something real quick, and it's again asking, where are these good officers at? Harris County had a child SVU issue with Sergeant Robert Johnson. Now, Sergeant Robert Johnson took his own life on a bridge in Liberty County, not before confessing to two of the many or several counts of child SA. Now, when we're talking about this sergeant, we can't talk about him alone. He had help, and this time it came from two separate women. One was Deputy Shonda Shamlet Williams. She had an affair with a married man. Plus, she gave pills to children for Robert Johnson. Now, don't take my word for it. If you look hard enough, it's actually still up on the internet. This is what she admitted to. These were her words. And dispatcher Christina McKay, she made reservations at Pearland Hotel more than 20 times. And yes, she knew that Sergeant Robert Johnson was making these reservations for these children. And again, as came out in the allegations or in the investigation, Sergeant Robert Johnson was SAing these minors while they were drugged up and passed out. Now, understand, I constantly tell you, police officers are human, and just because they're wearing a uniform does not make them right. You also have to understand that everything they do, there is not an excuse for. Every officer isn't good. Every officer isn't to the level of this, but at the same time, these officers aren't any more human or any less human than we are. That is why you challenge them, because the human error is there and these types of things happen. Why? Because bad people also put on uniforms.